Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching CS Ompalli Praveen YouTube. Today, let us discuss with a new topic named how to extract the names from bank statements using machine learning and how to automate your workflow. See, if you're an accountant, business owner, or someone who regularly deals with financial data, you have probably faced the pain of extracting names from bank statements. It's a tedious, time consuming, and honestly not the best use of your valuable time. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Okay, first let us open the bank statement in Excel format. Here the sample bank statement which we have downloaded in normal Excel format, and let us try to extract the names from here. So I just keep the new column name with extract names, and another one is transaction type. First we'll extract the names of each transaction. Here the payment was made 1,22,454 to Jessica Moore. So just type the Jessica, copy and paste. Okay, this is a type of UPI. Next, salary. This is a salary, so I'll debit to salary payment. And what is a this is a salary transaction. Okay. See, this is a very tedious process, right, to manually typing each name, and this is very difficult for us for cash transactions and cash transactions. See, let us make now how we can use an automate and make it transfer all these transactions into single page. Okay, I'm just removing all the names which we have done, which I've made, and I've made one new Excel. And so first make with the VBS. Let us test with VBS. First copy everything and paste it here. Okay. So first, what you want to remove? You want to remove all the names and numbers, right? So go to Praveen Personal and go to remove numbers and keep text, and select the text. Whatever you want, just remove this. Okay, now all the numbers will gone. Now whatever you want to remove all these special characters, so remove special characters, just select and remove everything and keep this. Okay, now all the special characters also gone. Now somewhat compared to earlier, it was somewhat better. Okay, it is a Jessica and this is a salary payment. Okay, JESSICA, Jessica, and the salary, and Jane Smith. See, if I press Ctrl E, there is a flash fill in Excel. Just press Ctrl E, so it will come all the names and whatever the we have made it copy and paste it in the above Excel. That everything will come here as a flash fill. Okay, so use Ctrl E option in Excel. It will come. I think it is only work in paid versions of Excels and Microsoft 365. I don't know in cracked versions. So okay, once it is done, still now we are not able to trace it out with which transaction, and it will take a lot of time to make this type of auto transaction because the rows is more than 2576 rows. Now let's make another way by using automation. So first I'll delete everything. Okay, delete everything and keep this one as it is and close the file. So go to Google, type Sompalli, SOMPALLI and go.com. In this, go to CAPT login, CA Productivity Tools. That's means CAPT. So just log in. This is my website. Basically, I built it using Python Flask, and backend we have used different database. And this is my web application format. Okay, just go to login. And log in with your first make register. If you don't register, just register first. Okay, so it's a basic form where you can username, password, email, and mobile number. Once it is registered, you can go to login page. Once if it is login, I have already registered, so I'm just logging into this page. Sompalli and Co. And the password. It's loading. Yeah. Now we are entered into this dashboard page. Now go to other productivity tools and open bank extraction. Yes, press this And if you don't have any format, here I have given a download template format. Just press this, so the template will download here. Okay, say I already have the format, so I no need to download it again. So I'll go to this sample data. Okay, I'll upload here. This is sample data I have. Now I'm doing nothing. I'm just pressing. Press this button, process transaction. Let us check that out. How the output would be. It's loading. Okay, let's wait. So it's take only 10 seconds, I believe. So processor transactions I'm saving in the same path. So if you open this process transaction, wow, see. See the date and the transaction narration, debit, credit, and extracted name, a type of extraction, whether it is a UPI, salary, cash transaction, a NEFT transaction with the names and all it is. Okay, so if it is a debit means debit, credit means credit, all the cash transactions will generate in separate sheet, all the bank charges will generate in separate sheet, and all AMPS transactions, NEFT transactions, RTGS transactions, salary transactions, everything in different pages. If you want summary, this is also will be generated here. Now create a pivot for this, Alt ENV. Okay, now I'm just creating the pivot and extracted name, debit, credit, transaction time I'm keeping in filter. Now just keep the smallest to largest. So now keep that number of count. Wow, see how many salary payments and how much payment we made to Mr. Michael Johnson and Emily Davis, John Day. See, this is good, right? Cash deposit. This is the most useful for you for making 44 AD section or something, whatever the cash testing transaction for everything like this 269SS, everything you can make it as. Just click the transaction. So it'll just everything every day, how much they have deposited and how much they withdraw. This is a good one, right? UPI, salary, UPI, cash, NIF, cash, whatever the transactions, it will separately generate, and also it will extract the name. See here the Jessica Moore will be there. It extracted the name is Jessica Moore and Michael Johnson. Since it is a salary, first I have given salary. See, this application we have developed using Python and machine learning. We have trained the data like if it is a salary payment, first even though it will come name, but it will prioritize salary, not name. See, it is a UPI transaction, right? In that UPI we have transferred to Mr. Jane Smith. So it will came to Jane Smith and UPI transaction, and cash deposit, cash transaction, and IMPS, Lucas Scott, and yeah, this one also come, and this one. And I think this is a useful tool for you. And moreover, someone will ask, right? See, we don't have an Excel format. Suppose let's say we have a bank statement, HDFC bank statement. How we need to convert in these two format? Yeah, that's also I'll explain. First, I'll close this. Okay, go to bank statements, and this is a HDFC sample bank statement. Okay, see, this is sample bank statement HDFC. Now I would like to extract this one into Excel. Okay, first go to my productivity tools, all productivity tools, go to bank statement extractor and choose your bank. This is HDFC. I'm just selecting HDFC. Go to open HDFC, open, upload text. See, HDFC Bank's Excel is generated. I just saved in this path. Now open it. Cool. It's working, right? So now open HDFC bank statement. See, this is a HDFC bank statement, and this is what we have generated. Let us first make first is convert into numbers. So now everything in numbers. See, earlier we have seen about how we have transferred the HDFC bank statement. Now let us test with State Bank of India. Okay, So go to bank statement extractor, choose State Bank of India, choose files, and select State Bank of India and upload. So just save the file. Okay, I'm just saving it in SBI statements. Just now I saved the converted SBI bank statement. Now just open that Excel. See, it's beautifully converted my SBI bank statement into Excel. Now just convert this into the numbers. Okay, that's all. So no online tool you can find about the extra conversion of bank statements into Excels from PDF. So my tool is able to do. So I can use my tool for free. Now let us go with another topic, that is automation of accounting. Okay. Still now we have seen that first thing is how to extract the transactions from bank statement. Next one, how to convert the bank statement into Excel. Now let us discuss about how to automate our accounting. Okay. So first I'll classify these transactions into payments and receipts. First, based on the debits, I'll classify this one few as a payment. Okay, this and all is payments, and use semicolon to copy paste, and remaining all credits has been classified as a receipts. Okay, receipt. Once you have classified the debits, payments and receipts, now I would like to import all these transactions into Tally. See, before importing into the Tally, you have to create a ledgers. Let's say here we do have a payments, we do have a receipts. So payments, all payments we can classify as a sundry creditors or expenditure. All receipts we can classify as a sundry debtors or any loans. Okay, right now I don't know about the specific name, whether it is a, in case if the payment is relating to purchases or a payment is relating to some loan repayment, I don't know. So just I'm just creating the ledgers based on the ledger sundry creditors or sundry debtors based on the ledger classification. So press Alt NV. I'm creating pivot. First create a pivot. So extracted name and debit and credit, and transaction type I'll keep in filters, and this one as a count. So keep this one as smallest to largest, largest to smallest. So once it is done, keep this one as a indirect. I'm just typing indirect expenses and indirect expenses. This is a sundry creditors. This is a since it is a payment, I am selecting sundry creditors. Since it is a cash related transaction, just selecting cash in hand. I'm just creating a group in Tally. Okay, so don't confuse. So this and all I'm treating as a sundry creditors because it is a payments, and since it is a receipts, I'm classified as a sundry debtors. So once it is done, go to my statement and go to Tally tools, go to Tally ledger creation. In this, before dump, we need one template, right, to dump into the Excel. So I'm just downloading the template. Okay, just download this template. So actually it's a Tally ledgers. It's not a vouchers, it's a ledgers. So delete this one. So open the ledger template. Once it is downloaded, just open this. So once it is opened, please copy paste all the ledger names along with the groups to here. Okay. Okay, now I have created all the ledgers in the Excel. Now I will create into the Tally. Before the creation into Tally, first create one Tally backup. Okay, so I'm just created one Tally backup. Earlier I created one company. Now I'm creating another company. So open Tally. So go to Alt K, create, and paste this company, and the name is Sompalli and Co. Bank Testing. So this is Andhra Pradesh and 524004. It is done. Once the tally is created, first go to version 2. Just to convert this Excel into XML. I'm just converting because Tally can accept import XML files rather than Excel. So it is converted. Just take 5 seconds to convert my file. So now import this XML into Tally. So there is some issue. This is a cache in hand. I type error. See, all the ledgers as created. To Tally tools, go to Tally XML Generator and download the template. Save the same path with vouchers template. Once this template was generated, open this. I have opened this one. So first copy paste all the transactions into here. First copy paste the dates, voucher number. Don't copy like this. Okay, first select the payment. First I'll select payment entries, and after receipts entries. Keep the filters. Don't use mouse. Okay, if you want to increase your speed, always use keyboard. Don't use mouse. Mouse will decrease your speed. And voucher number is this, and this and all is payment entries. So I'm just selecting payment, and debit ledger. Debit is this one, right? And credit is HDFC Bank. This ledger I have not created in Tally. This one alone I am creating manually. So go to create. So it's keep under bank accounts. So now amounts and all I'm just copy paste here. Create also this narration, keep the transaction entry. Okay. So the payments is over. Next go to receipts. Select the receipts. Same like this. Please copy and paste. And instead of payment, keep receipt here. So now the debit ledger would be bank, right? Because since it is a receipt, so I'm just debiting bank, and the amount and all would be same. It won't be, so credit would be same, debit would be same, and the ledgers is need to be credited, and narrations would be the same. Now we have already imported all the transaction as per given format from that processed bank transactions. Now we will convert this one into XML file, upload this file into XML. Okay, voucher template, and convert. It will take time around 10 to 20 seconds, depends on your transaction data. So just save the path to the same path, save the location, and now I'll XML, and path is given voucher output. Yeah, it's importing. See, basically it's totally 2500 transactions. Okay, we're just we have copied the data from bank statement, and we have extracted using machine learning. Then after we are dumping into the Tally using XML files. Okay, the same application. See, successfully imported. Okay, let's save this. Yeah. See, successfully on here. Now just check the trial balance. See that how beautifully it was created. See, with the narration, transaction, date, and ledger I have created manually except HDFC Bank, and nothing I have manually extracted the name. So now sit with your client and discuss what is Alexander Hall, whether it is a procurement payment or consumable payment and anything. So depends, book that entry, and now go to journals, and depends on the sale income or service income, book the corresponding entry and close this transaction. You might be wondering how this tool working so accurately and quickly. The secret lies in machine learning. Let me break it down with you. See, a machine learning is a branch of an artificial intelligence that enables computer to learn and improve from data without being explicitly programmed. In this case, we have trained a machine learning model to recognize the patterns in the bank statements and identify the name fields. First, we feed the model with hundreds of sample bank statements and teaching it to differentiate between names, transaction descriptions, and other details. Pattern recognition. The model also learned to recognize the patterns such as common formats for names, for example, John Doe and our company XYZ Private Limited. It is also identify the contextual keywords like buy to or credited to pinpoint names accurately. And also, every time the tool is used, it gets smarter. By analyzing the more data, the model continuously refines the accuracy and efficiency. So this is why the tool performs so well. Scalability is just efficiency on 100 rows. It does to up to even 1 lakh, 10 lakhs or 50 lakhs also. Accuracy, it's eliminate human error by relying on data-driven insights, and it's process complex statements in seconds. Let's take a moment to appreciate what we just achieved. A process that used to take hours that can be now done in seconds. Now you can save time, you can free up hours every week, reduce errors. Automation ensures that accuracy every single time. Focus on what matters. Spend your energy on more strategic tasks. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can extract the names of bank statement effortlessly. If this video helped you, don't forget to give thumbs up and share it with your colleagues who could use this tip. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more productivity hacks and automation tips. Let me know the comments what's one task you love to automate. I would like to hear that your ideas also. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.